Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about subliminals and how to properly listen to them. But before we get into that, you are more than welcome to subscribe on this channel. I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You also wouldn't want to miss out on one-on-one coaching with me, where I bring you to your desired reality step by step. What I can say for a fact is my emails are laced with literal magic. If you would like to be spoiled, if you would like the attention to be all on you, if you would like to get your desire as quickly as possible with me in the ringer with you, sign up today at RitaKaminski.com or click the first link in the description box down below. I know you want to. You are also more than welcome to join my members only YouTube program. You'll be getting 4 exclusive videos per month where I offer collective coaching. Feel free to ask me any questions you may have, and you'll be guided through your situation by me and be supported by a like-minded community within a safe space. Hundreds of people's lives have already been changed by becoming a member. We go so much deeper into the law of assumption by learning from specific examples. So if my baddies didn't have a question that week, they still learn life-changing information. It would literally be a no-brainer to invest in yourself and join, so the link will be in the description box down below. Alternatively, you can literally just click the join button right next to my name. If members only is not available in your country or the link simply does not work, don't worry, I got you. You can sign up through the Patreon link down below. It is the exact same program. One remarkable but true story that gained widespread traction and attention involves a dog named Daisy and a woman named Claire. Claire Guest, a British woman, was the CEO of Medical Detection Dogs, an organization that trains dogs to detect various medical conditions, including cancer. In 2009, Claire was going about her day when all of a sudden her pet Labrador Daisy started behaving strangely. Daisy started to nuzzle, paw, and act persistently towards Claire's chest. Claire dismissed this as odd behavior at first, but Daisy's persistence made Claire pay closer attention. Curious about Daisy's behavior, Claire decided to pay a visit to the doctor. After a series of medical tests, Claire was found to have early stages of breast cancer. What does this have to do with subliminals? Just like dogs can sniff out early stages of cancer or can hear high-pitched noises that humans cannot hear, our subconscious minds can hear subliminals. And those subliminals, those affirmations that we will get into, penetrate the subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is a sponge. Just because you cannot hear the positive affirmations does not mean that your subconscious mind is not going to work while you walk to work, go to sleep. So what exactly are subliminals? Subliminals are messages or stimuli designed to bypass the conscious mind and directly influence the subconscious. They come in various forms, including visual, audio, and text-based messages. It's not just what you see on YouTube. If you are familiar with subliminals in this law of assumption community, the key is to tap into your subconscious mind to reshape your beliefs and habits positively, ultimately reshaping your world as you know it. There are different types of subliminals. Get the perfect self-concept subliminal, glow up subliminal, get your SP subliminal. The list goes on. Before you start using subliminals, it is crucial to set clear intentions. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve? Whether it's boosting confidence, attracting success, improving health. Having a specific goal will guide your subliminal journey. Now, it is important to note that not all subliminals are created equally. It is essential to choose ones that align with your goals. Look for high quality subliminals from reputable creators and make sure that there is a PDF attached in the description box and that the affirmations resonate with you. Reading comments can also help you find subliminals that have also worked for others. So rule number 1 to listening to subliminals: consistency is key. Incorporate subliminals into your daily routine, whether it's getting up in the morning, getting ready, while you're exercising, or before bedtime. The more consistent you are, the more likely you will see positive results. It is the same thing as affirmation. You can set an assumption for yourself that you can listen to something once and instantly you will have that thing. And I'm not taking anything away from that. However, just like we can do the same thing for affirmations or any other technique, we want to work with ourselves, right? So while we are working and developing, having instant results, we also want to penetrate our subconscious mind. We want to hand in hand work on being masters at manifesting, but not being limited to just doing something once and that's it. Cool, we're working on being masters at manifesting, but also let me do my best to saturate my subconscious mind and then trust that that is enough. It's like, yeah, I can affirm everything is perfect in 1950 and still have the effects of that come into my life in 2023. However, I'm going to pivot if I'm seeing that my affirmation isn't working. I'm going to, step number 1, assume that everything that I manifest is instant. Everything that I listen to, every subliminal that I listen to is instant. And at the same time, I'm going to work with myself knowing that the more I help myself, the better. I'm going to listen and watch the results unfold in front of me and act accordingly. If I see that I've done something once and the fruits of my labor have already come to fruition, cool, I'm just gonna do it once. But while I'm not seeing the result in my 3D reality yet, you're goddamn right I'm gonna be saturating my subconscious mind. The same thing goes for subliminals. Your conscious mind might be listening to music or thunder, but there is so much going on in the background. Again, your subconscious mind is taking all of those affirmations in like a sponge. Remember, your subconscious mind is literally like a dog, able to pick up on higher frequencies that you can't even hear. Now, you might be wondering how to properly start using subliminals, aside from the fact that you have to listen to them consistently. As a beginner, I suggest pre-made subliminals. But this is so essential when choosing one. Make sure that the subliminal aligns with you and that you're picking one that has positive reviews. I usually go for the ones that have a lot of views. I don't listen to subliminals that have 5 views and like no comments, because you never truly know someone's intentions. There might be an affirmation that you really do not resonate with. Another way when you're feeling a little bit more advanced is to create your own personalized subliminal. Identify your goals, create positive affirmations, and overlay them onto relaxing music or your favorite music or white noise like thunder, rain, waves, bubbles, etc. This is really great because you can actually customize exactly what it is that you want all into one packaged subliminal. So you can listen to your own that covers weight loss, SP, financial freedom, anything else you might want to manifest. And the magic about it is you get to pick your own affirmation, whether you are listening to pre-made subliminals or subliminals that you made by yourself. Listen daily to reinforce those results. Another really important thing that I want to mention, I believe the best way to listen to subliminals properly, correctly, is to listen to them with noise cancelling headphones or noise cancelling AirPods. That sounds very specific, but what ends up happening is you are cancelling all of the sound around you. You are literally like putting that sound inside of your brain almost. Your subconscious mind can literally hear those affirmations that much clearer. I don't feel like I got as many results when I was just listening to it in the car or when I was getting ready and I couldn't find my AirPods. If you don't have expensive noise cancelling headphones, that's totally fine. Any types of earpods work just fine. It's so much better than just listening to subliminals without anything in your ear. Another thing that I want to mention is when you start listening to subliminals and they make you feel a little bit woozy, they make you feel negative some type of way. I listened to one subliminal, and I don't mean to scare you, but this is just a warning to be highly selective with your subliminals. I listened to one and I had one of the worst nightmares of my life, but don't let that scare you from never listening to subliminals again. That was just a bad subliminal. Listen to subliminals that make you either feel neutral or feel good, excited, hyped up, because the results are extreme. You will begin thinking like the person who has their SP. For example, if you're listening to a SP subliminal, has clear skin. It's not that you're gonna start acting as if, you're literally going to be that person and you'll have instant results. And it's no pretending anymore. You'll just start thinking like that person. Like, I know exactly what to do with my SP. I know exactly what to eat, what not to eat, what sunscreen to pick, what skincare routine to have. If it's long hair, you'll start getting products mailed to you, or you will literally just wake up the next morning and your hair is 5 inches longer. There are no restrictions to this. Hell, you can listen to it once, just like affirming once or assuming something once or getting into the state once. You can literally step into a new reality. You can reality shift instantly. But again, we're working with ourselves, not against ourselves. So we want to do everything in our power to help ourselves. I really genuinely believe that. So if we have an inspired action to buy this specific skincare product, or text this SP or not text this SP, or say something funny or cute or whatever, just know that that's also coming from you being in the state of already having. So it's not like you're a try hard or anything. You are literally just naturally having those specific thoughts that are going to lead you to your manifestation. So the key points of listening to subliminals correctly is be intentional about what you want. Select the subliminals that you actually want to come into your life. Like, if you would listen to one thing, if it just falls in your lap right now, would you be happy with that? Because these results are fucking scary. They're fucking instantaneous. Be selective with your subliminals. Read the comments. Make sure that the subliminal already has a lot of views or come from reputable subliminal makers. I have created 3 subliminals, which you can check up here. I listen to my self-concept subliminal overnight every single night, and it has helped me beyond belief. Like, just when I think that I have the highest self-concept imaginable, I just surprise myself in so many ways. If the subliminal doesn't make you feel good, if it makes you feel woozy, if it gives you nightmares, if it starts giving you headaches, stop listening to them immediately. Listen to the subliminals with noise cancelling headphones on or AirPods. And finally, listen consistently. Replace listening to music with listening to subliminals. Find subliminals that have music that you would have listened to anyways, but this is actually helping you get your shit. Listen when you're eating. Listen when you're going to the gym or when you're going for a walk, or instead of watching a show, have a subliminal on in the background. Layer the subliminal with the show. There are infinite possibilities. So with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.